Hi everybody, and welcome back to Open Source Tonight. Today what I want to talk to you guys all about is Docker and how you can save some space. Now I'm not an expert at Docker yet, so take what I'm about to say with a grain of salt on how safe this is. I think it is safe, but I'm going to put that asterisk in there to take it with a grain of salt anyway. So let's hop over to Linux and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so the command that I'm going to use is right here. It's this sudo space docker space system space prune space -a. And so we're going to go ahead and run this here and let's see what it does. I'm going to have to type in the password here. And you can see what it says here. Warning, this will remove all stopped containers, all networks not used by at least one container, all images without at least one container associated with them, and all the build caches. Do you want to continue? Yes or no? I'm going to go ahead and hit Y for yes and hit enter. And you can see in this case, I did this the other day. It actually didn't reclaim anything. But when I did this the other day, I've been using Docker for months like crazy. And I'm not kidding. I got 10 gigs, I think, back of storage space, something in that general neighborhood. So multiple gigs. So that's pretty cool. So this is just a very simple tool, but I do find it to be pretty interesting. I think if you do -- help on the end of this, it will, yes, it does. So you can see the -a is to remove all unused ones, all unused images, not just the dangling ones, which I believe dangling ones, I may be wrong on this, but I think my understanding is the dangling ones are ones that, I don't know. I was thinking, are they the ones that are not attached to a container? But I'm not actually clear. The F you can use here is to actually force, it to do it without asking you for sure. So I could see me using that. Like I'm thinking I'm going to run this maybe once a week on a cron task. Let me know in the comments if that's a good idea. But I don't see anything wrong with it here in my little test system at least. But I'll use that command, that argument, so that way I don't actually have to, do anything. Because obviously if it's a cron task, it's not going to have me there to type in yes and hit enter. Now the -- volumes is, again, that will prune the volumes. I did see one version of this online where you could use -v, one dash and then the V by itself. But on this version, it looks like you have to have -- volumes if you're going to do that. So I don't know, but you know what? Let's just try it. -a, then space -- volumes. What does that do? I'm going to hit Y for yes. Okay, and that one actually did clear some old volumes out, 441.3 megs. And you can see when it clears it out, it will tell you this is all the deleted containers, volumes, etc. And it gives you these IDs. So, anyway, there you go. I don't know what else to say. It's just a quick little command, but it's pretty interesting. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And have you ever used this before? Let me know. Thanks for watching Open Source Tonight, everybody, and I hope to talk to you guys again very soon. Goodbye, everybody.
And action.